Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Honor Choice Wireless Buds. Welcome to Vikram Tech. Here we begin. 24 hours battery backup as seen in the specs. This is the outside packaging. Nothing written on it, just Honor Choice. As you open the box, there is the manual, as you can see, and the wireless buds are placed aside from the case. Let's put it outside and take a look at the case. It says type C, I think. We will talk about it. Let's check out the things in the box. There are two extra tips and a USB-C cable. Let's open it. This is how the cable looks. This is a type C cable for charging. Let's check out the case. Just a wrap around the case, plastic wrap. Just remove it. This is how it looks. The opening is very good. Let's place the buds inside it. The sound is very beautiful. Let's check the buds now. This is how it looks from the front, the side, and then at the bottom there is a type C for charging. There is a LED light in the front. Let's check out the notes and check out. This is how it looks. It's like Apple pods. The clipping is so nice. There is an indicator on the front and two white lights on the back of these buds blinking, as you can see. The blue indicates the full charge in this, and magnetic tips are there, so you can easily take and put it inside. And left and right are written on the case and on the buds too, indicating which is the left for easy usage. The sound is quite clippy. Thank you.